In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Shopify. To do this, you will need to have a Shopify store and you will need to own a Namecheap domain. So make sure you have both of those things. And from there, once you have that, open up Namecheap first and go into your account section and then your dashboard. Now from within your dashboard, go to your domain list right here. And then here you find the domain that you want to use on Shopify so that you want to connect to your Shopify store. I'll use this one, danimakestutorials.online. From there, click on Manage. And then what you can do here is go to Advanced DNS. Now, by the way, make sure your name servers here are set to Namecheap Basic DNS and go to Advanced DNS. Now what you want to do is open up Shopify and go to Settings in the bottom left. Then here you will find Domains, so click Domains. And then here you will have your normal domain, but what you can now also do is connect an existing domain, so your Namecheap domain. So click on Connect Existing Domain, and then here enter your domain. So for me, again, it's danimakestutorials.online. You don't need to enter www or https, just your domain, and then click Next. Now then it will recognize where your domain is from. So for example, for me it's Namecheap. Now you can click Login here, or if you already have this open as I have, you don't need to do that. Then here you will get different records. So you need to remove your existing records. So to do that, just come here and click on the bin icon and then delete all of these records. You can just delete all of them separately. So now that you have deleted your records, it will then say either add these new records or update these records. Now I've just deleted all of them, so I can just view this as add these new records. So first add a type A, and for the name add an @ and then for update to, just copy this. So open up Namecheap. Then here click on add new record, select an A record, then for the host add @ and then the IP address, paste in what it said for you and go and click on the save changes checkmark. From there take the CNAME, so the name is always www in this case, and then redirect it to shops.myshopify.com. So now again add a new record, now go for a CNAME, host is www, target is shops.myshopify.com, save changes. From there you have updated your DNS records. Now this can take a few minutes or even a few hours to propagate, but I will check if it has already done it. So just click update DNS records. And then the next step, as you can see, is DNS propagation. Now in my case, it's already live in all regions globally, so it worked pretty much instantly for me, but this can take a few minutes, but don't worry, if you follow these steps exactly, it will work. Now it's provisioning TLS certificate for secure connections, otherwise you will see not secure in the top left, and you want of course to have a secure connection, so that's what it is doing right now. This can take up to 5 minutes. So just wait for the provisioning of the TLS certificate to finish up, then you will have a secure connection and people will then be able to access your site through the link right here, but you can see it is already connected. And also if you go to the online store section, if you hover over the view your store, in the bottom left, you will see the link is now danimakestutorials.online. Now if I currently click on it, the connection is still not private since the certificate hasn't yet connected. But once that's done, you will then be able to access the site through your Namecheap domain. Now the TLS provisioning can take up to 48 hours, so just go and wait for that to finish up. So now you know how to connect your Namecheap domain to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.